Ceramide Moisturizing Cream is a skincare product that contains ceramides, which are naturally occurring lipids found in the skin. These ceramides play a crucial role in maintaining the skin's barrier function, which is essential for retaining moisture and keeping irritants out. Here are some of the benefits of using Ceramide Moisturizing Cream in more detail. Provides long-lasting hydration. Ceramide Moisturizing Cream helps to hydrate the skin and prevent moisture loss throughout the day. It forms a protective layer on the skin, which helps to keep the moisture locked in, leaving the skin feeling soft and supple. Restores the skin's natural barrier. Environmental stressors such as pollution and UV rays can damage the skin's natural barrier, leading to dryness, redness, and inflammation. Ceramide Moisturizing Cream helps to repair and strengthen the skin's natural barrier, which can protect the skin from external damage. Improves skin texture. Ceramides are essential for maintaining healthy skin, and when they are depleted, the skin can become rough and dry. Ceramide Moisturizing Cream can help to smooth out rough or dry patches of skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. It can also help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Soothes irritation. Ceramide Moisturizing Cream can help to calm and soothe irritated or sensitive skin. Ceramides are known to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce redness and inflammation in the skin. It makes it a good choice for those with eczema or rosacea, as it can help to alleviate symptoms such as itching and burning. Helps to prevent signs of aging. As we age, our skin's natural ceramide levels decrease, which can lead to the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Ceramide Moisturizing Cream can help to restore the skin's ceramide levels, which can improve skin elasticity and firmness, resulting in a more youthful appearance. In conclusion, Ceramide Moisturizing Cream is an excellent option for anyone looking to hydrate and protect their skin while also improving its overall texture and appearance. Its benefits include providing long-lasting hydration, restoring the skin's natural barrier, improving skin texture, soothing irritation, and helping to prevent signs of aging.